Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this trinomial x power 5 plus x minus 1, and we are going to find the complete factors of this. Before we proceed, let me remind you that I have given a practice problem at the end of this tutorial for you guys. So please don't forget to check that one out. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here I have just copied down our trinomial right up here, and if we look very closely, we don't see any pattern to factorize this given polynomial. So let me go ahead and tweak it. I'm gonna just add and subtract x squared and subtract x squared at the same time. Now let me go ahead and rearrange these one. I'm gonna bring these one x power 5 and then plus x squared, and then this negative x squared first over here, and then plus x minus 1. And now let's focus on these very first two terms. As we can see that we can factor out x squared. Once we factor out x squared, we ended up with x power 3 plus 1. And then let's focus on this next three terms. Here I can factor out negative sign, and we will end up with x squared minus x and then plus 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this inside this parentheses x power 3 plus 1. I have just copied it down over here. Now I can write this 1 as 1 power 3. It doesn't make any difference. So now this represents the sum of two cubes. And now we are going to use this sum of two cubes formula. It states a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. If we see x as an a and 1 as a b, then we can easily expand this one. So therefore we can write this one as a product of x plus 1 and then times x squared minus x times 1 and then plus 1 square, or simply we can get it x plus 1 times x squared minus x, and 1 square is simply 1. And now let's revert back to this x power 3 plus 1, and now we got this factor over here. Let's go ahead and replace that one. So this could be written as x squared outside and then x plus 1 times x squared minus x then plus 1, and then just leave everything as it is, minus x squared minus x and then plus 1. And now we can see that this x squared minus x plus 1 is in common over here. So therefore I can factor that one out. I'm going to bring x squared minus x plus 1, and then inside the bracket that is going to be x squared times x plus 1 and then minus 1. Let's go ahead and simplify furthermore. X squared minus x plus 1, and here we can distribute this one, and if we distribute, this is going to become x power 3 plus x squared and minus 1. And these are our complete factors of this given trinomial. So thus here are our complete factors: x squared minus x plus 1 times x power 3 plus x squared minus 1. And here is your practice problem. You may pause the video and take your time before you can see the solution with the answer. And here's a good news. Your assignment has already been uploaded in Premath channel with a thumbnail looks like this one. And you can click on the link above or wait for the end screen link. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.